In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the projection tool for price targets in TradingView. We'll walk through the process in a simple, practical way so you can map out potential price paths with confidence. Start by heading to the left toolbar and clicking the ruler icon, also known as the Measure tool. This opens a set of tools designed for analysis. Scroll to the projection section to find the options specifically built for forward-looking scenarios. You'll see several types of projections, each suited to a different purpose. Long position and short position are designed for planning trades. They help you mark entry, stop loss, and take profit, and they'll display risk-to-reward information right on the chart. Forecast lets you project price targets with a cone or path, great for illustrating an expected range or direction over time. Bars pattern allows you to copy a sequence of bars and overlay it forward, so you can see how a similar move might look in the future. Ghost creates a shadow version of price, useful for visualizing hypothetical movement without altering your actual chart data. Feed is for referencing external data as a comparison guide. And projection offers a simple forward line, perfect when you just want a clean, straightforward price path without extra details. Choose the one that fits your analysis goal. With your tool selected, click on the chart to set your starting point. This anchor could be a recent swing high or low, an entry level you're considering, or any reference price you want to build from. Then drag to set your target price or projected movement. As you drag, pay attention to the visual cues. Many tools display price distance, percentage change, and sometimes time, which helps you contextualize what the move would mean. Adjust as needed to visualize different scenarios. You can refine the projection by dragging its handles or endpoints to explore alternative targets or different stop levels. For example, nudging your target a little higher or lower can show how your risk to reward might change, or how a wider forecast cone affects your expectations. When you're satisfied with the setup, release the mouse to lock the projection on the chart. The drawing stays in place so you can review it later, compare multiple ideas, or revisit it as price evolves. If you switch between tools, remember that each projection serves a distinct purpose. Keep your chart organized by picking the one that communicates your idea most clearly. That's the full walkthrough of using the projection tool for price targets in TradingView. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.